Let's make some smothered pork chops. You're going to want to start by chopping up some onions, garlic, and celery, about a half a cup of diced onions, half a cup of chopped up celery, and however many garlic cloves you'd like. I'm using some thick cut pork chops, and you're going to start by patting them dry. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil onto your chops and rub it in. Season your chops with whatever you'd like, but I'm using adobo seasoning, some garlic powder, chili powder, paprika. Make sure to season both sides and rub it into the pork chops as much as you can. At this point, you could coat your pork chops in flour if you would like to, but I went ahead and put them straight into the pan. Sear it for 5 minutes on each side, and while they're searing, do not touch them, lift them, or mess around with them at all. Once you have both sides of your pork chops seared, you're going to go ahead and remove them from the pan and set them aside on a separate plate. And in the same exact pan, you're going to go ahead and throw your onions, garlic, and celery in. You're going to cook them down until they start turning a little bit soft and aromatic, which is about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and add a quarter cup of flour. Mix the flour in as you're continuing to cook down your vegetables, and after a while it should look like this. Then you're going to want to add some broth of your choice. I'm using beef broth. Now I'm seasoning my broth with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, and some oregano. Take a whisk and stir in your seasonings very well. After a while, your gravy should start to thicken up a little. At this point, you're going to return your pork chops to the pot and cover it. Let your chops cook on low heat for about 45 minutes to allow them to tenderize. And after that, you should be done. For my meals, I like to include equal parts protein, starch, carbs, and veggies. So I'm going to go ahead and pair my pork chops with some rice, broccoli, and smashed potatoes.